Today we'll be deconstructing one of my favorite photos I've taken and discussing the choices made in the process. This photo was taken along the coastline of South Africa. This particular beach was chosen because it aligns perfectly with the sunset across the ocean and scattered rocky outcrops along the shore, making good foreground interest. I shot this on a lone Canon 450D and I used the Canon EF1635 f2.8 Mark II and a Nisi 6-stop circular polarizer filter attached to the lens. The filter, of course, was chosen as it introduced more contrast and vibrancy in the colors, not necessarily polarization. So let's deconstruct this image. The final image consists of 6 images shot for HDR. I chose this technique to get more detail in the shadows and the highlights, as sunsets tend to be very contrasty. I select my 6 raw photos in Adobe Bridge, I open them up in Camera Raw, and before doing anything, I select all of them, right-click and choose Merge to HDR. In the HDR dialog, I ensure the images are aligned and disable deghost, as this option tends to introduce more artifacts. A new DNG file is created with all the raw data embedded, and now I can finally start editing. I start with a few linear masks around the edges I want to darken, then add a mask to the sky and adjust the exposure, contrast and color to achieve a more realistic result. Next, I add a few radial masks to the foreground and increase exposure and clarity slightly to draw the viewer's attention to the details. All that's left is to tweak the overall color and contrast of the photo before adding a slight crop. From this raw file to this final image, all in under 2 minutes. So please let me know what kind of photo you would like to see in the next video. Comment down below with your choice. So whether it be a seascape, a landscape, sunset, sunrise, mountainous area, something in the snow, let me know. Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.